What inspires me to sew? Sewing for me in high school definitely helped me fit in a little bit more. Being able to create a wardrobe that no one else had. Being able to get compliments from strangers that they liked my outfit. Being plus size, there wasn't really a market during that time, and just to be able to create your own clothing and have this unique style gave me so much confidence to conquer high school. I remember one year when my grandmother had gifted me my brother's sewing machine. It was like that feeling of graduating from your grandmother's sewing machine to your own brother's sewing machine. It was so fun being able to take it out of the packaging and setting it all up and learning all the new cool buttons and features that it had on it. And just being able to share that bonding experience with my grandmother was the best things and the best memories that I have. It only takes you one thing to be able to get that sewing bug. I remember having my niece in the garage with me while I was sewing and her itching to want to help me sew so badly. To be able to see how excited and joyful my niece is to learn how to sew, I see her sketching her ideas and always coming to me with new ideas and showing me what she has, and just to be able to see what I've passed down to her. I was so excited that I went and bought her a brother's sewing machine. Don't worry, if you don't have an Ashley or a grandma or someone to teach you, yay! Just visit your local authorized brother dealer. They can answer all the questions that you have, suggest fun projects for your sewing machines, and also show you tips and tricks. Brother has exclusive sewing machines that you can only purchase at a dealer. These machines have unique features that allows you to get more out of your sewing experience. Visit the Brother Sew site. Enter your zip code into the dealer locator tool to find an authorized brother dealer near you.